بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وأصلي وأسلم على المبعوث رحمة للعالمين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Islam is a religion of compassion. It does not leave any segment of our community and society away or neglected. Islam caters to those who are in need. Islam cares for those who were disprivileged. So many places in the Quran that Allah Azza wa Jal tells us to honor the orphans. In the Sunnah, our Prophet tells us, alayhi salatu wassalam, to take care of the widows, of the orphans, of the children, of the women. So Islam does not only cater for the strong, for the warriors, for the scholars, for the rich. It takes care of those who are disprivileged. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, Ana wa kafilul yatimi kahatayn. He said, I and the person who supports and takes in an orphan are like this on the day of judgment in paradise. So it shows us how close those who take care of orphans would be on the day of judgment to the Prophet alayhi salatu wassalam. And taking care of an orphan is protecting the society. When you take an orphan in your custody, and he takes an orphan, and they take an orphan, we would not have children on the streets without anyone to take care of them, who would eventually become thieves, burglars, or bad influence to the community. We take them in. We bring them up with our own children. They share our food. And this has positive impact on the community. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wassalam, he said to one of his companions, would you like for your heart to be softened and you would attain what you wish and hope for? And the companion said, indeed, O Prophet of Allah. So the Prophet told him, alayhi salatu wassalam, wipe over the head, the hair of an orphan. Why would I do that? So that the orphan would feel my compassion and love and care. Wipe over the head of a child who's an orphan, and this would soften your heart and would make what you wish and hope for come true. But who is an orphan? An orphan is a child that lost his father or her father before the age of puberty. So once a child reaches the age of puberty, he's not a child anymore. And if you look around you, in all these vast Islamic countries, you will find that there's so many orphans who need your financial help, who need you to take them in your custody and bring them up to be useful elements and subjects of the society. Let us join hands and try our level best to take care of the orphans in our community. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.